Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, it's me again with another video. I hope you're all doing good. I hope you're all doing great. Yeah, so make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below. So today I'll be doing let's say a colorful kind of eyeshadow look. Yeah, so I started off with her eyebrows off camera, filling them in, and now I'm just trying to like conceal them, make sure they're all clean and all that. So yeah. So our eyebrows are all clean. Now I'm just trying to put a little bit of concealer on her eyelids and just like blending all that out before we put our eyeshadow, our base. Yeah, so as you can see, I did the other eye off camera just because I couldn't get a great look with how she was seated and all that. So yeah, as you can see, I already did the transition color and all that. So now I'm just trying to cut the crease and like put in the colors that you're seeing on the other side of the eye. Yeah, as you can see with this look, I didn't really do a lot of colors or eyeshadows before I cut the crease. I just like went in like straightforward because my kind of look was just the crease. I just wanted the crease to look like, you know, like colorful, so that's why. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just cleaning up the crease before I put the other colors. Yep. Yeah, so now I'm going in with that hot pink at the very start. All these colors I'm using are from I believe Morphe eyeshadow palettes. Yeah, so I'm going in with the pink. As you can see, I'm just like trying to tap that color in. Yeah, and then I'm going in with a lighter purple from the same palette. And then at the end I go in with the yellow, as you can see from the other eye. Yeah. So like after I was done with this other eye, I realized that it was much better than the first one I did. So I went back trying like to put in more color, like I wanted this look to really pop, yeah. So now I'm going in with the pink just to like define it more. Yeah, and then I'm just cleaning it all out, trying to make it look good, like pop, So as you can see, I already put her eyelashes off camera, and now I'm just trying to like go in with the foundation, and this is MAC foundation. I don't know which number it is or which color it is. I just know it's a bit dark, if it's not the darkest. Yeah, so now I'm just like trying to like blend in the foundation and all that. We're almost done with the look, so yeah. So as you can see, I already concealed her eyes, and now I'm just like going in with this contouring, and I had to talk about this contour kit. Like, Zaran contour kit is life, you guys. You have to have it. Like, I don't know how to like insist on this, you know, like it's life. So now I'm just contouring her nose. Yep, making sure it's all that kind of snatched. Yeah, and yeah. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed watching this look as much as I enjoyed creating this look. So yeah, see you in the next video.